Hello everybody, so we're going to give a strategy breakdown for Ri3D Team Indiana and how we feel we can best go ahead and play this game. So we've talked about in some earlier videos, we've discussed where the points are on the field. You can see those from before. So we're going to kind of see where we felt the greatest impact that we could have to our lines in trying to score as many points as possible and win and get the max qualification ranking that we can. So, the first thing that we decided we were going to do is we were going to run totes primarily from the human loading station to the scoring zones, which are these raised platforms here. So making this run back and forth. Now we're going to run out of totes, so we need to be able to floor load as well. So those are some of our early requirements. So, we found out pretty early that we need 6 totes in a stack in order to get the maximum points for the recycling container on top. So we get 2 points per tote times 6 in a stack, and there are 7 recycling containers that we have at our disposal to score. So if we do 7 stacks of 6, that would be 84 points. That's a lot of points. Now we get a lot of those totes from the human loaders, so those can be quick cycles. We'll have to get the rest from the landfills. So now Jacob's going to talk about what kind of an impact our alliance partners can have as they add the recycling containers on top.
Yeah, so once we get our 7 stacks of 6 totes set up, we'll be in prime position to add a recycling container to. We have 3 that start in our starting zone, and then 4 that are on the step in the middle of the field. Each recycling container that's placed on a level 6 gets 24 points for a total of 116.
So that combined with our 84 points from earlier is a really, really strong showing. Now that is an aggressive score, and that would take a lot of really good robots, but that's kind of the potential of this kind of setup. So now the other thing that this sort of robot would give us the opportunity to do is we can go and get the 3 yellow totes that start the match near our driver station, stack those up one on top of the next, and then put those into the auto zone at the end of a autonomous zone. Now we don't have to let them go to get points, we just need to make sure they're fully within the auto zone, and that would give us 20 points for auto. That's going to be a really big score, and it's going to help our ranking in the qualification rounds.
Once auto ends, we can take those 3 totes and move them straight to the step to be 75% of the way to getting our 40 qualification.
Right. And so that means that our alliance opponents, in this case, they would only need to place 1 tote on the step at some point during the rest of the match, and then we can go and put our totes on top of theirs, or they can put theirs on top of ours. However it ends up working out, we'll need to discuss that with them before the start of the match, but we'll go ahead and be able to get that 40 points, which will be really, really big for the match. So that's kind of the direction of the robot that we're going to try to build here. We're making some good progress. Be sure to check back on the live stream and as we post more videos to kind of keep up on our progress. So good luck out there, everybody, and we'll hope to hear from you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.